So I got a bit carried away and I had to make another video about this. So after applying this product, you might have seen in my other video I said one coat was enough, or you know, you don't need to apply that much of it. And it is true that it's a very strong product. You probably only need to apply one coat, unless the trim is really damaged. But you know, I just got a bit carried away. I got a bit excited about the product, and I'm just going to quickly show you. I don't know if you can see how glossy that is, but I experimented and I just started applying 2 or 3 coats. I applied it in a heavy coat, and the results are insane. It's immaculate. So I've used up this whole bottle, and I went back over the entire car. So everything has got 2 or 3 coats on it now, and the results are amazing. It's just like, it's like brand new plastic. It's like brand new trimming. Obviously this is a fresh coat. I did the hubcaps, and the hubcaps come up fantastic. You may not be able to see it on your screen as best, but what I'm trying to say is if you do the prep correctly and you use this product right, I just ended up using a rag. You don't need any special sponge or any special brush or anything like that. You just use a clean cloth, and the results are amazing. I know time will tell. It's the beginning of summer here, so I want this product to last all summertime, so we'll see how we go. But what I'm trying to say is this is a very strong quality product, and if you do the preparation correctly, it will stick to the plastic like an ink. It's like a squid ink, and it's fantastic. I've used the whole container now, so that's pretty much it, and the results on my car are amazing. So I'm very happy with this, and yeah, so hopefully this survives the summertime, and we can get many months of good looking plastic trim out of this. So that's good. One bottle is enough to do the entire car, two or 3 layers, and you can actually apply the coats pretty heavy. The gloss is fantastic, and I'm hoping it just stays this way throughout the weather. The important part, I'll keep saying it again, make sure you do the prep. Maybe a product like this or something. You want to prep the surface, keep it clean, and use plenty of rags, and use gloves and masking tape and things. But you will be a very happy customer if you stick by these rules. So that's a job well done, I think, and for me, it's beyond reasonable doubt that this is a successful product. Like, I have no doubts about this product, so I'm just going to probably keep on using it in the future. And even if you cannot find this brand or this product on your shelves, I'm pretty sure that there's other brands with a 2-part system where you prep and then you ink, and it will give you some similar results. But I'm very happy with this job now, so I couldn't ask for more. And I think the total cost for these 2 products are $15 for the prep, and $30 or $40 for the MrBlack. But that was enough. That did my entire car. So it did all the trimmings, all the side trimmings and everything, the hubcaps, everything. So it's very good for me, and it's coming up like brand new. Like, I couldn't be happier with that. So good luck to you guys out there who want to try this on your car. And I do recommend that you do some sort of a plastic trim protection, because it can make the car look really good.